Hello, everyone. So, today I'm going to go over some of the updates that have been made to Aura. But once again, I'm not affiliated with the company that makes Aura in any way. They just asked me to come aboard and help to test it and to show it off to everyone. So, that's what I'm going to do. So, here is some of the latest features. This build is from the 11th of June, so it's an oldish build. They have said that the next build is going to be a big improvement and also 5.6 support, which I'm really looking forward to trying. So, some of the new features we've got improved chat tech. So, basically, what happened previously is if you talked with Aura and then later on in the day you went back, Aura would have issues and would tell you to start a new chat. And now, as you can see, because of my game dev team that's been helping, they've improved that and it's getting better all the time. Aura can now generate level blockouts. So currently it's very early. You'll see when we try it. But I think for rapid prototyping and getting things like going quickly, it's going to be really helpful. And I'll show that off. So the next thing that's been added is the ability for Aura to generate concept images and place them into the project. Some people may think this is controversial on the fact that it's using generative AI to generate images, but I think for concept, thing is perfect. Um, Obviously, I wouldn't use this type of thing in like a full project, but for just getting things in the project while you're testing, this is going to be perfect. Improved support for massive files. So on the Discord, there's been a lot of talk of people that are testing it, saying that they're worried about how it will handle larger projects, and they are actually working on improving it so it can handle bigger game projects. I've tested it on a biggish game project, and it's had no issues. There is a longer time for it to sync the files, which is expected, but once it's synced it, it has no issues reading it. So the next thing is currently where you have a limited amount of tokens you can use at the time. Um, so like it can only generate so much and then it will stop and you have to ask it again to continue. But they're increasing this. Like it says here, they may end up dialing it back, but it's for testing at the moment. And the speed improvement or it is a lot faster, which I agree. When I've been using it, it is a lot quicker on its responses. So I'm going to show two things, two or three things here for now. So I'm in an empty area in Unreal and I'm going to open Aura. I'm going to say generate me a map based on E1M1 from the original. So let's see what it can do. I'm just going to leave this on so you can see in real time how long it takes. Okay, so it says it's done it and then it's created a level here. So let's have a look. It's not completely recreated E1 M1 exactly, but it's given us a decent little blockout area of a level. So Oh, I started in the middle. Let's change that to start. Yeah. So like I said, they said this is work in progress and it's only going to get better. But we have a simple FPS blockout map that you can use for testing out different gameplay mechanics. Well, this is something that I can see be really useful once you can get improvements done on it. And I'm looking forward to seeing what can be done. Okay, so the next thing is the image generation. So let's try generate me an image of the Doom cover. Let's see if it can do that. Okay, so it's generated an image. And here, generated images. It said it's generated it, but it's PNG, so it can't actually show. But if I show in Explorer, there's the image it created, and then this is the map it created. It based the map design on this. So the final thing that has been added is the ability to generate 3D models. So I wouldn't use these for like production things, but for blockouts, this type of thing is perfect. So let's say create a 3D model of the Doom guy from original Doom game. He showed holding a shotgun. Let's see what happens now. Once again, I'm just going to let this play out so you can see in real time. So I accidentally recorded a bit with no audio. So as you can see, we've got our not the best looking Doom guy, but a rough approximation, and it is holding a shotgun. Like I say, I wouldn't use this for things like full game assets, but for prototyping, things like this is really useful. For if you're level design, being able to get blockout models to represent things that are going to be in the game. These are really handy to have. Like I said, this is what Aura's been working on. These things are all going to improve over time. Like the the level design thing got added in the previous update or the most recent update, and it still needs work, but it does give a very rough block out to help you design things. Same with the 3D model generation. Be able to have like just a simple AI thing here that will um, generate the model, bring it into the project, get all the things set up ready to go. So it's use PBR materials, for example. It will help speed up project creation. So once again, in the description, there'll be a link to the Aura website where you can go and join the waitlist. There'll also a link on the website to the Discord where you can go in and ask the devs questions, maybe, or find out the latest information. I hope you found this useful. If you like these videos, just leave a like. If you want to support me, I have now a YouTube partner thing, so you can join as membership or super chat or whatever it is. I'm not sure. There's also links to a Patreon if you want to help support me, and I will see you in the next video.